Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I am your English teacher. Now open your English practice book, page number 1. On page number 1, we have a passage about a girl, and the title of the passage is In Search of Flowers. I am going to read this passage. A little girl went in search of flowers for her mother. It was early in the day and the grass was wet. Sweet little birds were singing all around her. And what do you think she found besides flowers? A nest with young birds in it. Young birds means baby birds. So there was a girl who woke up early in the morning and she went in search of flowers for her mother. And she found a nest besides flowers, and she found some young birds. Young birds means baby birds. While she was looking at them, she heard the mother bird chirp as if to say, "Do not touch my children, little girl, for I love them dearly." So when she was looking at the young birds, she heard the mother bird chirp, means voice, as if to say, like she thought that the mother bird want to say that, "Don't touch my children, little girl, for I love them dearly." Like means that the mother bird loves her young birds. Now the little girl now thought how dearly her own mother loved her. Now she start think about that how much her mother loved her. So she left the birds. Then picking some flowers, she went home and she told her mother what she had seen and heard. Okay, when she went back to her home, she told all of the story about mother bird and young birds to her mother. And this was all about this passage. Now, as we can see in this passage, there was a girl who woke up early in the morning and she went in search for some flowers for her mother. After that, she saw some young birds beside flowers. After that, she saw a mother bird chirping, that she was saying that, "Don't touch my children because I love them dearly." After that, she went back to her home and she told all of the story to her mother, and she gave some flowers to her mother. Now it's exercise time. Look at the questions. Question number 1 is, what time of day is the girl looking for flowers? So as we read that it was early in the morning, so you have to write. So the answer is, the girl is looking for flowers early in the day. Question number 2 is, what did she find? So as we can see, she found some young birds. in a nest. So we have to write the answer. So the answer is, she found a nest with young birds. Question number 3 is, what did the bird say to the girl? So as we read here, she heard the mother bird chirp as if to say, do not touch my children, little girl, for I love them dearly. So I am going to write this dialogue here. First of all, you have to write the bird said, after that inverted commas and the dialogue of the bird, and after that you have to put full stop and inverted commas again. Now the last question is, why did the girl leave the nest alone? So as the question is, why did the girl leave the nest alone? So answer is, she left the nest because she thought how dearly her own mother loved her. So I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.